The Ferrari F50 has officially hit the big 30, and what better way to mark this milestone than with a journey through Italy's heartland? Ferrari has launched the F50 Legacy Tour 2025 to honor the legendary V12-powered supercar, offering owners an exclusive chance to take their prized machines across the stunning Tuscan landscape, ending with a grand finale at Ferrari's own Fiorano Circuit in Maranello. This event is not just a drive, it is a tribute. It follows in the tire tracks of previous legacy tours, which celebrated the iconic F40 in 2023 and the GTO in 2024. For 2025, the spotlight turns to the F50, a car that blends Ferrari's Formula One engineering with raw, unfiltered driving pleasure. The journey begins in Saturnia, a serene town nestled in Tuscany, and stretches through the scenic roads of Maremma, the rolling hills near Siena, and across the Tuscan-Emilian Apennines. These roads are tailor-made for a car like the F50. Its naturally aspirated V12, planted in a carbon fiber monocoque, was once considered cutting-edge and remains a thrilling experience today. When the tour reaches Maranello, the celebration continues at the Ferrari factory, where owners get the rare opportunity to parade their F50s on the Fiorano Circuit. A standout feature of this tour is the introduction of a custom tire by Pirelli. The new Pirelli P0 Corsa System Collezione has been designed specifically for the F50 and debuts during this tour. Sized at 245 over 35 R18 up front and 335 over 30 R18 at the rear, these tires are more than just rubber. They carry the inscription Ferrari F50 Legacy Tour 2025 on their sidewalls, a nod to the exclusivity of this celebration. Developed on the Fiorano track, these tires offer improved safety and modern compound performance while maintaining the authentic driving feel of the original. The F50 was introduced at the Geneva Motor Show in 1995, just in time to celebrate Ferrari's 50th anniversary 2 years early. It was unlike anything else at the time. With a V12 engine derived from Formula One, 5 valves per cylinder, and a layout that made the engine a structural part of the chassis, the F50 brought race car DNA to the road. It had no anti-lock braking system, no power steering, and a removable targa roof that added to its raw, race-ready character. Only 349 were built, a number chosen deliberately to be one less than the perceived market demand. The new tires by Pirelli further highlight the car's historical and technological significance. These are not ordinary tires. They combine a directional tread pattern on the front wheels and an asymmetric one on the rear, helping to maintain stability and grip even in wet conditions. Although inspired by the tire designs of the 1990s, this modern iteration uses advanced compounds for greater performance and reliability. Pirelli's Collezione range is designed for iconic cars like the F50, allowing them to stay true to their roots while gaining the safety benefits of modern tire technology. The fact that these tires are launching alongside the F50 Legacy Tour only underscores how much reverence the industry still holds for this machine. Ferrari is not just preserving the past with this event, it is actively connecting owners with the heritage, emotion, and innovation that have defined the brand for decades. Watching these cars roar through Italy, driven by people who love them, is not just a celebration of a machine, it is a celebration of Ferrari's soul. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you are passionate about automotive history, Ferrari supercars, or just love seeing rare machines take to the road where they belong.
Stand by.
There's a first time code.